जब भी आप youtube.com खोलते हो सबसे बड़ी चीज जो आप देखोगे हर जगह वो है थंबनेल्स, राइट? हर वीडियो का एक थंबनेल होता है एंड व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू दैट दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर यू। अगर आप थंबनेल डिजाइन करना सीख लो यूट्यूब क्रिएटर्स के लिए तो आप घर बैठे 20 to 30,000 rupees per month अर्न कर सकते हो। Yes, that is what I want to talk about today. We'll be talking about how can you become a thumbnail designer and make money doing so. सब कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे from the importance of thumbnail to how to create a great thumbnail, how to create a portfolio, how to reach out to people, how to get work and how to get better at creating thumbnails. So if that sounds interesting, make sure कि आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दो. But let's talk about thumbnail designing. Now this is a new field that is created inside of graphic designing, जहां पर your work is to create the most appealing thumbnail that would get the most clicks for the content creators majorly on YouTube. Now let me tell you why is this important. अगर आप देखोगे कोई भी YouTube वीडियो जो आपको recommend होती है एंड जिसके बहुत ज़्यादा व्यूज़ हैं उन सब के थंबनेल्स बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं, बहुत अपीलिंग होते हैं एंड देयर इज अ रीज़न फॉर दैट, राइट? लाइक व्हेनेवर यू ओपन अप एनी ऐप, अगर आप यूट्यूब को खोलोगे अभी, राइट, मेरा ये फ़ोन है, आई जस्ट ओपन अप यूट्यूब, सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आप देखते हो किसी भी वीडियो की वो होते हैं उस वीडियो के थंबनेल, राइट? लाइक हाउ गुड इज द थंबनेल एंड अगर आपको थंबनेल अच्छा लगता है तो आप रुकते हो, फिर उसका टाइटल पढ़ते हो वीडियो का एंड फिर आगे देखते हो, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ वायरल वीडियो and a video that gets 0 views is the thumbnail. The most important thing is the thumbnail of the video and every single creator knows that and that is why they invest heavily into creating great thumbnails. अब आपका काम as a thumbnail designer is to come up with ideas for how to create these better looking thumbnails which get better clicks. इसका एक कीवर्ड होता है click through rate. अगर 100 लोग हैं तो उन 100 लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने आपके थंबनेल को देख करके उस पर क्लिक किया। अब नॉर्मली अगर आप YouTube पर देखो तो CTR लगभग 5 से 6-7% होता है, बट अगर आप अच्छा थंबनेल बनाओ तो दिस CTR can also go as high as 10, 12, 15, 20% CTR, right? And that is what I will talk about in this video. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं about what makes a great thumbnail. राइट? तो यहाँ पे कुछ थोड़े इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. नंबर 1 इज द कॉन्ट्रास्ट, राइट? लाइक अगर आप सारे मिस्टर बीस्ट के थंबनेल्स देखोगे यू विल रियलाइज समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सारे थंबनेल्स में लाइटिंग बहुत हैवी है, राइट? लाइक एवरीथिंग इज brightly lit and you can exactly see what is happening in that scene. So the most important factor for your thumbnail is how contrasting the thumbnail is. That is the most important point. The second thing is if you choose to add text or not, and if you add text आप कितना text डालते हो, right? Like the problem with most people when they start on YouTube, including me, was that they put a lot of text on the thumbnail. That is not required. Your goal is to just create enough curiosity in the mind of someone who just came across your thumbnail to click it and actually see कि वीडियो में हो क्या रहा है. So max to max 3 से 4, max to max 5 शब्दों में if you can explain कि why should people click on this video to watch, that will create a great thumbnail for you, right? Do not create a thumbnail with a ton of text that just looks overcrowded. The mistake most designers make is that वो बनाते हैं thumbnail अपने बड़े से मॉनिटर के ऊपर, राइट? 30 इंच का मॉनिटर से बना रहे thumbnail, पर जब कोई आपका वीडियो देखता है YouTube पे they only look at it using their 5 inch और 6 inch स्मार्टफोन, राइट? तो वहां पर थंबनेल बहुत ज़्यादा श्रिंक हो जाता है एंड दैट इज वाई यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन मेकिंग इट क्लटर फ्री एंड ओनली पुटिंग द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन द थंबनेल. द third most important thing is the expression, right? If you decide to include a face in the YouTube video thumbnail, you need to make sure that the expression creates that curiosity, right? Or creates that expectation, right? कि वीडियो से मिलेगा क्या मेरे को exactly, right? Like all of these thumbnails that you see on my channel have an expression that I have in the thumbnail and that creates that curiosity or just tells people कि इनको मिलने क्या वाला है इस वीडियो से, or why should they be excited to watch this video and not the hundreds of them below this one, right? So make sure that you understand this very important hack for how to create great thumbnail videos. Description के अंदर I will put some tutorials that you can watch by some amazing people who have made Canva tutorial for how to make a thumbnail, they have made Photoshop tutorials on how to make a thumbnail. हर तरह के thumbnail का मैं example दे दूंगा description में so that you can understand. कुछ thumbnail होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ visuals होते हैं, right? Like if you've seen MKBHD के thumbnail, उसमें they don't have much text, it's mostly visual and people love watching those videos, right, with those thumbnails. Then you have videos which will have a lot of text. Then there will be videos which only have the expression of the person. So everything works, it depends on the niche of that particular channel or that particular creator. तो मैं इन सब के examples और उनके tutorials description में डाल दूंगा, so do not forget to check those out in the description. और उसके पास में आपको subscribe का बटन भी दिखेगा, so if you want you can subscribe as well. अच्छा, एक और question जो लोग पूछते हैं is that भैया मैं कौन सा tool use करूँ to create these thumbnails or to learn graphic designing? And यार I don't think that this should be a question in your mind. आप Canva को भी यूज करके एक बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन बना सकते हो, थंबनेल बना सकते हो, एंड आप Photoshop को यूज करके भी अच्छा थंबनेल बना सकते हो. But this should not be the limiting factor. Like if you want to just get started, you do not have any experience, then Canva can be a great way to get started. Like मेरे चैनल में जो सबसे अच्छी वीडियोस है ना that have gotten the most views were created from Canva, right? जो मैं पहले बनाया करता था अपने आप. Right? So it's not like you always need Photoshop to create the best engaging designs, thumbnail designs. That is the most important thing to understand here, right? Like बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि if you are a great graphic designer, you will be a great thumbnail designer as well. That is not exactly true, right? Like in thumbnail design, what is more important is the utility of what you put in the design. Thumbnail की सुंदरता से more important ये है कि भाई how clicky the thumbnail is, right? Like ये thumbnail जो था in which I interviewed Rohan, बहुत simple thumbnail है, right? Anyone can make it on a Canva, simple, right? But this thumbnail got a CTR of 12% in the first day, and that only happened because we focused on what people would want to click on, and that worked out the best. So you need to be a great marketer, you need to understand psychology, you need to also understand what would people want to click on. The next point is to figure out how can you create a portfolio of thumbnails. Now, one of the best examples of that is this guy who emailed me thumbnails of my previous videos, जो उसने खुद recreate करे, right? Now this shows कि they have put in the effort to recreate thumbnails, and उनके portfolio में बस वो recreated thumbnails लगे हुए थे, and that got me interested कि भाई इस बंदे ने तो already काम करके दिखा दिया मुझे, and now he's asking for an opportunity. Why can't I give the opportunity to him or her? So that is the most important thing. You should try to recreate all the thumbnails that you see on YouTube and see if you can make something better in them. Once you have your thumbnails ready, you should go out and put it up on a Behance profile of yourself and create a great Behance profile that people can go and understand your work and can contact you as well. It does not take more than 10-15 minutes to do so, and it is going to be a great investment for you as well. The next step is to reach out to YouTube creators. Right now, this is not just limited to YouTube creators. You can also create reel covers for Instagram creators as well. So आप जाओ YouTube पे आपके favorite creator को देखो, उनको email करो, उनको दिखाओ अपना काम and how skilled you are at it, right? By recreating their thumbnails and offering them these thumbnails to see if these are better than their current existing thumbnails. उसके बाद once you email your favorite creators, don't forget to follow up with them. That is a big mistake most people make. वो follow up नहीं करते, right? Like normal creators जो होते हैं YouTube पे जो थोड़े successful होते हैं, उनको बहुत सारे emails आते हैं about brand collaborations, about XYZ things. Your email might get lost. So your job is to always follow up on your email after every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, so that they can finally see your email and then reply back to it. The next step is to talk about the pricing. Now, if you are just getting started, if you have thoda sa experience and you want to learn more, you want to become a better designer, you can start with as low as 200 rupees per thumbnail, and you can take it as high as 1000 rupees as well when you work with companies, when you work with US clients and you create thumbnails for them. I have seen people creating thumbnails for as high as $20 per thumbnail as well, right? So you can definitely go out to Fiverr. You can start applying over here. As you can see, people are charging thousands, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 rupees for one single thumbnail. There is a lot of opportunity for you to make money with thumbnails. You can easily start getting a client because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे YouTubers आ गए हैं आजकल and they all want great thumbnails, and hence if you can learn this skill, you can make a lot of money as well, right? So that is how you would reach out to them. Pricing मैंने बता दिया आपको. Do not fixate yourself
कि नहीं मेरे को तो इतना ही चाहिए.
स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता है ना, the more thumbnails you will create, the better your creativity becomes, right? The more creative you get and you're able to charge a higher number. एक बार आपने बना दिए कुछ थंबनेल, उनमें अच्छे खासे व्यूज आ गए, सो नाउ यू कैन यूज दिस एज अ केस स्टडी कि भाई आई मेड दिस थंबनेल एंड इट गॉट दिस क्रिएटर ओवर 100,000 व्यूज, इट गॉट दिस क्रिएटर ओवर 1,000,000 व्यूज. सो दैट क्रिएट्स वैल्यू इन यू एज अ थंबनेल डिजाइनर. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू कीप upskilling yourself. If you do not upskill, you will not be able to raise your prices and you will be stuck at one place forever. So that was my advice for how can you become a thumbnail designer. I have worked with tens of graphic designers at MarketUp and on my channel as well, and this is the advice that I would give to all of you who are just getting started and want to explore this field of thumbnail designing. अगर आपको कोई भी questions हैं about graphic design या thumbnail design, let me know in the comment section about that. Always study famous creators and their thumbnails, right? उनमें हमेशा एक expression होता है that they have, एक feel होती है एक thumbnail की, right? That they are using every single time. If you check out Hamza's thumbnails, right? Hamza जो है उसके thumbnails एक आर्टिस्टिक वाइब आती है उससे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू क्रिएट योर ओन स्टाइल फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर क्रिएटर एंड देन वर्क विद दैट. अगर आप अली अब्दाल के थंबनेल देखोगे तो वहां पर एक अलग वाइब आती है, दैट लुक्स अ लॉट मोर मिनिमलिस्टिक एंड क्लीन एंड गिव्स अ मॉडर्न वाइब, राइट? सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्रिएटर and what content they create, and then you can create the kind of thumbnail that would work out the best for them and for their channel and for their audience. That's all from me today. If you like this video को share करो with your friends. You can tag me on social at Ishan Sharma 7390. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching, write in the comment section I was till the very end. I will see you all in the next video, and I hope that you start in this career of thumbnail graphic designing. बहुत सारी opportunities हैं यार. Get started, work with US clients, work with companies, charge a lot, make a lot of money, and have a great life doing so. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.